Hey guys, Carl here at Gardening Solutions. Just a video update on how things are going out here. So in the last month, I've started a new job. I'm actually doing solar sales, so selling solar power systems. If you're in Florida, Central Florida, a little bit to the north and south, and you're looking for a solar system, get in touch with me. I'll put a link down in the notes. Anyways, I've been real busy the last month with training, and then I had field training. So now that I'm trained up and on my own, I have a little more time to come out and film the garden. But what I haven't been doing is selling plants. So this is my actual plant sale area. So it's been sitting kind of quiet for the last month. Got quite a variety out here. But you can kind of see how I had them displayed. Basically, I had a herb area. These were all pretty much herbs. And then those two are more of your perennial and food forest items. And then this bunch of stuff here. One of my friends is just storing some plants here. He's in the middle of a move. But I'm going to walk to the back, show you the highlight of this video. One interesting thing when you ignore your garden for a while is just to come out and see what's changed. You can see this has just been growing like crazy. My cassava, yucca, has tipped over, but it seems to be doing well. I'm waiting for that to get big enough where I can harvest it and start some new plants. But over here, a few months back, I planted some velvet beans, and they really didn't seem to be doing much. But now, look at this. This is going up a palm tree. These things have just exploded. So is the mosquito population. You see the video jumping around, that's me slapping bugs. So more plants I was growing out to sell. Like I said, that's kind of on hold. I'll do a plant sale maybe once a month, just do it on a single day. Look at the bananas over here. Bananas just seem to thrive, especially in these circles. In fact, I can't even get far enough out on this circle here to show you it all. But anyways, let's hop back over here. Here's a second growth of velvet beans, and they're mixed in among the torpedo grass here. But here's the neat part. They're growing along the fence. Not only has the growth exploded, but look at the pods. There is velvet bean pods all over this plant. I mean, all up and down here. I have to be careful where I'm stepping. There's a lot of poison ivy here. In fact, I think as they go over this way, these are probably about ready for harvest. Some of these are pretty big. I'll zoom in there a little bit. Get you an idea. That's a couple inches. It is very velvety, and it's green. From what I've read, that's when you want to harvest. Squeezing it, it's very firm. So I'm going to read up a little more on that. Nothing stuck to my hand. They're not the stinging type. But yeah, these have just gone crazy. See, it's gone all the way over there. So that's really neat. So let me go to another section. Actually, before I do that, boy, look at this sugarcane. So that fence, top of that post is about 5.5 feet for scale. Look at this sugarcane. The tips of that are a good 12, 15 feet. So it's actually ready to harvest. Just don't have time. So you get an idea how big that is. It's that one's about 1.5 inches. The biggest I've seen them get is about 2 inches diameter, or yeah, that would be diameter. All right, let me jump to another area. What you're looking at here is a soursop. I'm pretty much on the border of where these things will grow. But you can see here, it's actually got some fruit. Now, I don't know if that fruit's gonna be able to ripen before the cold weather. But it's good to know that it did fruit. This actually did die back last year, and we weren't even freezing. We got, I think, in the low 40s, maybe upper 30s. But even if it dies back again, it'll come back bigger and stronger each time till eventually it doesn't die back. Papaya continues to do well. I've got them all over the place. Been harvesting a lot of figs. Let's take a quick walk to the plant area where I grow my plants out. And this has really been ignored. Now, I get a lot of questions, a lot of people asking if I do property tours, if they can come view it. The answer is yes. I'm very open to that. I like having visitors. We just have to arrange good dates and times, typically Sundays. So here's some plants in pots. But here's the grow out area, and it's almost embarrassing. It's gotten so bad. This stuff's just kind of running away in the pots now. Here's some chaya. I've got mulberries, avocados, cranberry hibiscus. Back there is Napier grass. So a lot of stuff here. Some mangoes. There's Brazil hibiscus. This is like a variety area. Barbados cherries. I do have one Jamaican cherry, strawberry tree. I've got some June plums going finally. Bunch of katuk, bunch of moringa. So, but look at the grass. It's just crazy. I need to come in here with the weed eater. Can't run the mower through here. The mower's too wide. Earth boxes have been ignored. Probably dried out. But they're still producing. Lots of jalapenos. Datil peppers. Cayenne peppers. More jalapenos. Another variety of pepper. Forget the name of it. And then these are some of the places where I start new plants. So a bunch of Mexican sunflower. I just stick them in there until they root and then I pot them up. These are mulberries, but I don't know if any of them took. So that's it for today. Just a little catch up, but I'm kind of excited about the velvet beans. Oh, here we go. Look at this. Goji berry. Loaded. So this is my breeder plant. So I use that for collecting seeds and making new plants. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.